So this story is about a duck. Now you might think, a duck? Why is there a Q on a duck? And it's because sometimes people call ducks quackers because ducks like to quack, like quack, quack, quack. So this is the story of Quacky Quacker. And you can see that Quacky has the letters, a big letter Q and a little letter Q on her body. So once upon a time there was a quacker named Quacky. Quacky loved to quack all the time. She would say, quack, 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 quack. Can you try that? Quack, 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 quack. Quacky lived on a farm full of quackers. They all loved to quack just like Quacky. They were never quiet. Let's try it. Quack, 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 quack. And I see that the Q has its special buddy letter. If ever you see a Q in a word, it always has a U next to it because they're special buddies and the Q and the U have to be together to make the quack sound. A quarterback came to stay at the Quaker farm because he needed a quiet, peaceful rest. He heard enough noise from people when he played football as a quarterback. Now he wanted to get some quiet at Quaker Farm. Do you think he came to the right place if he wanted quiet? I don't think so. That sounds like it might be the problem in our story. He would yell, "Quiet, quiet, quick, quacking." Can you try that? Quiet, quiet, quick, quacking. But the quackers would not quit quacking. They'd go, quack, 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 quack. One day, while the quarterback was yelling at the quackers, a queen passed by on the road. She heard the quarterback quarreling with the quackers. She offered to help the quarterback with the quacking problem. I wonder what her solution's going to be. And look, the queen has Q's all over her cart and all over her crown. She must be the Q queen. She reached into the back of her carriage and produced a quiet quilt. She explained to the quarterback that if this quilt were hung and remained that way until, if the quilt was hung where the quackers could see it, they would quickly become quiet and stop quacking, and they would remain that way until the quilt was removed. The queen held the quilt up in front of the quackers. They quit quacking and were quiet. She took it down and they started quacking again. Quack, 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 quack. Well, the quarterback tried it. The quackers were quiet again. The quarterback thought how nice it was to have quiet quackers. Now he could get some rest. To show the queen how thankful he was and for his appreciation, he gave her a shiny new quarter. Look, quarter. Oh, and the queen was quite happy. He thanked her and he said, "That is quite the quilt." Remember, in your retell, let your parents know about the Q and its sound, as well as the characters, the setting, and the problem and the solution. How did they fix the problem?